Hello you guys, welcome back. I found something pretty cool that I wanted to come on here and try. It's the Wave Artist from Bedhead, also known as the Deep Waver. Basically, it's like a crimper, but has much more unique barrels to make beach waves. The thing about beach waves is you don't want them very uniform, and with this tool, I'm sure they could get pretty uniform. So at first I tried twisting a small piece of hair and using the tool to see if I could get a more of a natural kind of look. Ultimately, that method didn't really seem to work very well. The bottom looks okay, but the top doesn't really have a very pretty wave to it. So then I decided to try another small piece of hair without the twisting to see if it would have a better result. This wave definitely looks better than the first one, but I still think it just looks kind of messy and not necessarily a pretty beach wave. On this smaller piece of hair, you can definitely see the zigzag effect happening, which isn't really what I'm looking for. As I was using the tool, I learned more about it, like how long to hold it, what angle to hold it at. This wave was definitely my favorite, and I think it was getting a little bit better as I was going. The volume this tool gives my hair is fantastic. I definitely think that I need a little bit more practice, but I do think it's very capable of making some very pretty beach waves. I will absolutely keep using this tool and keep practicing. I would definitely recommend it because it is so unique, and once you get the hang of it, I think it could create some really beautiful hair. Let me know if you guys have ever used this tool before and what your opinion is on it.